Alright guys, good morning. We're gonna take the scrap in. There's a big hurricane coming and I don't want this stuff blowing around. We'll see how much we get for it all. A lot of steel. I got 4 stoves on there. And oh, what's this? Gotta take this off of there. That's money right there. Anyway. Chairs.
Yeah, lots of bikes.
Some aluminum.
Bike frames can be worth a lot of money, so keep an eye out for them. You can sell them pretty quickly.
Steel, a little piece of aluminum.
But not this one. It's junk.
Not much on that bike frame. Down in there good. Yeah. Lodge it in good. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna keep this heater and test it. Still got winter here coming along. Might need it. Never know. That's right, it did get down to 18 degrees 2 years ago. Electric motor.
Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I never liked the idea of these electric motors, electric lawnmowers. Just something about them, man.
I mean, you know, Bubba's not gonna buy one.
That's right. You know it. Cutting grass like some stealthy ninja ain't gonna happen in my neighborhood.
No, but I do like how light these things are. I wouldn't be doing this with a regular gas engine. Yeah, you get oil and gas all over the place, pouring all over the other scraps. There we go.
Something in there. That makes no sense. Put the ceiling fan in the garbage, but put other metal out for scrappers. Huh. We gotta get rid of some of this stuff.
Man, I was gonna stop by the thrift store and drop off all this plates and glass, but yeah, I think I left my pipe wrench at home. Constantly losing that thing.
Guess I'll get it off too. Maybe, maybe not.
I ain't gonna get it off with this thing, guys. So just bear with me. You gotta have a pipe wrench, or even just make a special tool just for these things when you come across them.
I don't know if I can get that off of this.
With like a long lever pipe on it. I don't know. It's either that or you gotta have your grinder and just cut it off.
Yeah, that's not good. Let's take it like it is. Heavy? Yeah, they got it. A lot of water in there. A lot of water in there. Never be able to lift that. Oh, that's raining. A little bit of wires. Bottom ones you're not going to get. Might be able to pull those bottom ones out though. Well, it's draining. Still draining. Yeah, it's stuck in there good. There it goes. Good copper and brass. All that water in there. Come on, baby. There we go. There we are. Hey, that's solid.
I think somebody slammed the door a little too hard. Yeah, we're going up. Great. Well guys, this brings us to the end of our video. We didn't do too bad today. We did about 107. We'll be able to buy some beans and rice for the kids tomorrow.
Not beans again, Daddy.
We'll see you on the next one. Wow guys, check it out, man. The power lines are on, burning up my trees next to them. Just want to send my condolences to all the families that are losing their lives or lost loved ones in this storm, and that previous one, Helene. The world's not getting any better place. Just pray that someday God will give us a home where there's going to be no more sorrow and sadness. You know, that's the hope.